How long have you been job searching? 1 month? 3 months? More? If the answer is more than a few weeks and you don't have an offer yet, I want to show you something and I want to show you why and how AI changes that completely. Most people job search the slow way. They go on LinkedIn, they search data analyst, they scroll for a while, they find something that looks okay. They spend 45 minutes tweaking their CV. They apply and then they wait. And usually nothing comes back. That whole process is manual, reactive, and inefficient. And the market moves very fast than that approach allows. Here is how to use AI to job search smarter. Step 1. Use AI to build a target company list, not a target job list. Most people search for jobs. Smart job seeker identify 20 to 30 companies that hire people with their exact profile. Then they watch those companies. That is a completely different posture. Step 2. Use AI to decode job descriptions. Paste a job description into an AI tool and ask it, what are the top 5 skills this employer is prioritizing? What experience gap do I have and what ratings should I highlight for my background? You will see the role differently every time. Step 3. Use AI for proactive outreach instead of applying code. Use AI to research the hiring manager or the team lead at your target companies. Draft a personalized message, not template, and get in front of them before job even posts. Most offers are filled before the public listing goes up. Step 4. Use AI to prepare for every stage. Mock interviews, behavioral question frameworks, technical preps that is specific to the company and the role, not generic. That is where the most people underuse AI completely. Now, all those steps I just described, they still require you to know what to do, when to do it, and how to string it together into a coherent strategy. That is where most people fall short, not on any single step, but on the orchestration. That is what the AI career advisor on the DeDataHub does at the intelligent layer. It knows the market in real time, it knows your profile, it knows the gap, and it actively closes that gap with you. Not just when you ask it to, but proactively. It is the difference between using AI as a tool and having AI as a system. We are live for beta users now. Public launch is the 5th of April. If you want to experience what AI-powered career intelligence look like, the link is in the description. If this video helped you, subscribe. I post career intelligence content every week. And drop a comment below. What is the biggest challenge in your data job search right now? I will reply to everyone. I am DeDataDude. See you next time.